What? Why is his foot on there? I actually got hit in the throat. Look what Santa brought to us. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. No, we are not taking the BMW RT. We're taking the KTM today, and in today's video we're going to be picking up a brand spanking new motorcycle. I can't really say what motorcycle it is just yet, but it is from the Moteo group. Just going to start it up. A little bit of a cold start from the Super Adventure R. I know you guys like this one. Oh yeah. Anyway, let's do this. And just like that, we are back riding very slowly because traffic is yet again very busy. Now, like I was saying in the garage, the Moteo group. A lot of you guys are probably saying like, oh yeah, but probably 99.9% are saying like, Smokey, we have no idea what you're talking about. Put them on the screen right here. That's the Moteo group. So yeah, it could be any of these brands that I'm picking up in a couple of minutes. Now, I have to be there at 1, and my timer actually says 1. So I can't be stuck in traffic. Well, what do you know? I'm on a KTM. I've been taking out a lot of motorcycles. I've been starting like a couple new things and businesses, and for some reason I have no idea why, but like I said, I want to make my own shampoo, my own car motorcycle shampoo. I'm getting a lot of samples of foam guns to put some foam on your car or motorcycle, and I'm also testing a lot of foams at the moment because I cannot just use and sell one foam. I need to test out the foam. Now I'm jumping back after a couple of weeks of riding BMWs because my mirrors were both broken off. I dropped the Super Adventure R at Spa-Francorchamps. Now, fun fact, in that video that I made at the Ducati camp, I actually throw the whole mirror into the garbage bin for a video. I was like, yeah, it's broken, I just throw it in. I didn't really think about it, that only the bottom part was broken and this part was broken. So I checked the whole mirror. This thing is like freaking 120 euros or something. I checked the whole thing into the garbage bin. I'm always excited looking to other people's motorcycle. Oh, the exhaust is on the left side. The exhaust is on the left side. That can only mean one thing and one thing only. What the hell is that? Oh yeah, it's a Moto Guzzi. Look at that. That guy's enjoying life. That guy's absolutely enjoying life. Now, I've been riding that BMW CE04 electrical scooter. Now, don't click away. This is not about the CE04 scooter. And I do have to say, I've been riding that with like a half helmet, with like not the front piece on it. And for some reason, riding something fast with not a full face guard and my chin all the way open, that it kind of freaks me out. A couple years ago, I actually got hit in the throat, like on my Adam's apple right here. It is warm outside, it's like 23 degrees, and I'm wearing a scarf. Now, people that laugh at that have never been hit by a fat bumblebee, like a very fat bumblebee, in the throat on the Adam's apple at 120 kilometers an hour. I have been hit by that, and it almost like choked me out. I couldn't breathe for a couple of seconds. I had to gasp for air. Ring of Antwerp, 4 indicators on like that, and the lane splitting begins. Yeah, how many people can we catch on their phones? I wonder. Last time it was like I checked like 20 cars, like 4 people were on their phones. It was absolutely ridiculous. It's crazy the amount of traffic. Nothing happened. It is just a lot of people on the road, and it is a Friday 12 o'clock. Friday 12 o'clock. And Antwerp is just filled with people. She was just cleaning her nails. Someone with a kid inside. They absolutely can't be on their phones. Absolutely not. Very good lady. Not really sure, but I think the dude on the right here has his foot on the... What? Why is his foot on there? Why is it... Why is his feet on the dash? He was the driver, right? Wait, was that a right-hand car van? No, he had his feet on. Ding, 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 ding. The lady on the left was on her phone. She's still on her phone. Look at that. She was holding up traffic a lot just because she's on her phone. And some more crazy lane splitting from right to the left. Got another one on the phone. Look at that. She's just typing on her phone. Seriously hope she does not get into an accident. Or brings me into an accident. Even worse. Riding school. Look at that. First time riding. Look at that. Oh, they're also young. Oh, this guy seems a little bit older. Look at that. Oh, they're riding on like Schwartpillens. Look at that. And of course, the trainer. No, it's a lady. It's a He also got a trophy. He also got a trophy. Maybe nosy. Nah, no, it's not possible on a nosy. No, that's not possible. Now, going over the highway, we are almost there. I'm going to be 5 minutes late. I couldn't really speed that much. I'm really sorry. We're gonna be 5 minutes late. Now, what I was saying about a small thing about Supercar Smokey. Yesterday we actually went to Brabus, and me and my buddy Jeroen is also doing the Supercar Smokey. We have been driving like the Brabus Rocket Porsche, one of 25, the 4x4 squared, the 6x6 XLP, and also the Range Rover. Now for the next upcoming weeks, we also have like Mercedes EQS coming, probably an M2 and M3, the new GLE Coupe. We're not going to only do supercars, but only like the cars that are also more affordable to us normal people. Not really sure why it's called Supercar Smokey. It should be like Nice Car Smokey. Anyway, it's going to be Supercar Smokey, so just a little heads up on what's coming on that channel. Sending me into a dead end. Wait a minute, this only looks for bicycles. I'm just gonna pretend that I'm bicycling, just like that, and I'm a bicycle now. I'm pretty sure this is kind of illegal, but I have to be there, and I'm already late, so I'm not gonna ride all the way around. Just like that. Oh yeah, this is just no problem, no problem. Nobody here, nobody saw this. Okay, we're good. Oh, calm down, Smokey, calm down now. That dude liked that little wheelie. Wow. Oh, no, it's not here. There it is. This is Moteo, the front side. I actually have to be at the back. Anyway, just gonna park it here for a second, and we'll see what happens. Now, I had an appointment at 1, but David goes for lunch at 1. So that doesn't really add up. Anyway, look what we got here. Well, it's a good and a fun family. It is Friday afternoon, and it turns out they have like a barbecue in the back. And I'm kind of hungry. Maybe I can score some fresh meat. Just ride around the building, but don't be scared. There might be a lot of people. There is no barbecue here. Where's the barbecue? Wait a second. What's going on here? Is it over there? Oh, they're probably in the back there. Okay. I can hear the voices in the back. It sounds like a lot of people, and I have like kind of social anxiety when it comes to a lot of people. So I'm not just gonna stay on the bike here until this guy is done eating. Look what Santa brought to us. The v-strom 800 DE from Suzuki. Yeah, a lot of people have been asking me to do like a review on this bike. And just like that, thank you Moteo and thank you Suzuki for hooking me up with this little beast. I've just been told that the bike was elected the Alpine Bike of the Year, selected by Motorrad or something, 2023. I have to search a little bit about that, but turns out this was the best bike for the Alpines and driving up the mountain and down the mountain and comfort and shifting and whatnot. I actually scored the best. Suzuki DE 800 v-strom. Without any further ado, let's go for a ride. The electronical starter by itself. Smooth and silky, Suzuki style. Ooh, smooth, and then very aggressive on the throttle right away. Now this is not, of course, the review ride just yet, because I need a little bit more training and a little bit near going into depth on this motorcycle, because I've been riding so many motorcycles. I've not done a lot of research on this one, so I still have to do a little bit more research. Fun fact, David that actually hooked me up with this motorcycle, he explained everything about it. Really friendly chap, really friendly people over there. He wasn't at the barbecue, he was having lunch somewhere else. Anyway, first couple of seconds on a Suzuki again. Well, it's been quite a long time, because I actually had a Suzuki GSXR 1000, GSXR 600. Did I have another Suzuki? I don't know, but quick shifter is good. I can always say that. We're gonna have some fun with it this week. Yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to this one, taking it a little bit off road, because I have seen that the tires on there, suspension in the front is like really bouncy, and no electronics, just regulate it yourself. The tires are a little bit off-road, not the crazy ones. It's more like, yeah, let's just say 90-10. And also I have to be a little bit careful, because this is not fully insured, so if I break things, I have to pay for the things on this bike. surprisingly quick. Wait, I was surprised by that. I was kind of surprised by that. Now, like I said, it has been doing very good into the mountains. I can keep this one for about 2 weeks. So that is probably exactly what I'm going to do. Maybe take it to the Eifel or something in Germany next week. Do some mountains with it. I don't know. It's the 2 weeks on the Suzuki. I don't know. There's nothing wrong with that. I kind of like that. Yeah. I had to take that highway. Corners, a little bit of cold tires I just left. This is quite good. This is quite good. Now, I'm not really sure if I actually still make motorcycles that ride like really bad. If you guys have like any motorcycle where you know that it actually rides very bad, okay guys, let me know like in the comments. Be like, Smokey, that is the worst motorcycle ever to ride. Just pick that one up and tell me your thoughts. Like the worst. What's on the trailer? Oh, we have a Suzuki and a KTM A90 on the trailer. Now, like I said, we are going to be lane splitting our asses home yet again. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the Suzuki v-strom. Do you guys like it? Do you think it's ugly? Do you think it's very nice? Let me know in the comments. In the next video, of course, the full-on review about the ABC. Maybe we'll do some top speed testing in Germany. I don't know. A lot of stuff coming with this motorcycle in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Peace and drive safe. Smokey out. See ya.
Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to smokytube.com, and over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course.